Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova Y90 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and that it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast, just with a simple touch to the power key button. I can unlock the device just in half of the second, so this is the really good result. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than passcodes or PIN codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.